Water.
Splish, splash.
No.
Don't eat it, drink it.
Wow. See how perfect it is for him? I'm covering his body with my head. You videoing? This is the first time in water. That's a sharp one.
I know. It's not rounded yet. It's not child friendly.
You're getting water in your eye. Come. Oh.
Trying to swim! Okay, Mama will come. Oh, it's coming out of his nose.
Okay.